Hi! Today's topic is about the product rule for our differential calculus lesson. And we'll have to use this formula here. The derivative of the product u and v is equal to u dv over dx plus v d over dx. So u is our first term and v is our second term. So we let u, for this function here, f of x, the given, is equal to x cubed, times the quantity x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. We let u to be x cubed, and v to be this binomial here, x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. So f prime x, derivative of x, is equal to x cubed times the quantity derivative of the second one. So we bring this 1 half times the quantity x squared minus a squared. We subtract 1 to 1 half. So it becomes negative 1 half times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, plus v, the second term, times du. V is x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. And the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. So in this one, in our first polynomial here, so 1 half times 2x is equal to x, no? You cancel out 2. So x times x cubed becomes x to the 4th times this same binomial x squared minus a squared is to negative 1 half. Plus, no? We transfer this in front. So 3x squared times the quantity x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. So we factor out for this polynomial here, x squared. So x squared times the bracket x squared. So we bring this down to the denominator and change the sign. So 1 over x squared minus a squared raised to positive 1 half, plus this term here. Since we have factored out x squared, what remains is 3 times quantity x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. So just continue. Since our LCD is x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. So we'll continue x squared times the bracket x squared, and this one up here times 3 is 3 raised times quantity x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half all over this binomial x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. So after this, we combine, we multiply 3 to this parenthesis here. So what remains is, what this result is x squared plus 3 times x squared is 3x squared. And we combine that, it becomes 4x squared. So 3 times negative a squared is negative 3a squared times x squared over x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. 1 half, no? So our final answer is x squared times the combination for x squared minus 3a squared raised to x squared minus a squared raised to 1 half. No? Or this can also be written by putting this one in the denominator and change the sign. So x squared times quantity for x squared minus 3a squared times the quantity x squared minus a squared raised to negative 1 half, since we put this in on top, no? Becomes the numerator. So for our second problem here, we are given the function f of b is equal to b times the quantity a b squared plus b squared raised to negative 1 half. So first term is b, second term is this binomial. So f prime b is equal to v, the first term, times the derivative of the second term, which is negative 1 half times the quantity b squared plus b squared raised to, we subtract 1 to this fraction here, negative, it becomes negative 3 over 2. No? negative 1 half minus 1 is negative 3 over 2 times the derivative of 2b, no? So our b is a constant, it becomes 0, no? So this one cancels out. Plus this parenthesis here, the second term, b squared plus b squared raised to negative 1 half, just copy, no? And then get the derivative of the first term, which is 1. So continue, cancel out 2 and 2. What remains is negative b times this binomial here, we put this one down, no? Plus, we put this one down also, 1 over b squared plus b squared raised to 1 half. So, as you can see, we have two kinds of fraction, no? Two forms of fraction. One is raised to 3 over 2, one is 1 half. So, we split this, no? So that we can see clearly what's happening in the denominator. So, splitting this, negative b squared times, no? The positive 1 exponent, b squared plus b squared raised to 1 plus b squared plus b squared raised to 1 half, no? Plus, just copy this one, 1 over b squared plus b squared raised to 1 half. So, the LCD is this polynomial here. The LCD is this one. So since this one is 1 half only, so we multiply the numerator by b squared plus b squared raised to exponent 1. No? So the result is negative b squared plus this LCD b squared, no? Plus b squared raised to the whole LCD, b squared plus b squared. The LCD, no? Just copy the LCD. So we cancel out b squared and negative b squared. What remains is b squared, the constant term. Excuse me. Over b squared plus b squared plus b squared plus b squared raised to 1 half. So our final answer, we just put this up in the numerator, b squared times the quantity b squared plus b squared raised to negative 3 over 2. So this is our final answer. So that's it, no? Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan, and to be updated to my videos, please click that bell icon. No? So thank you again, and see you later.